hoping that that's working. I've just flicked the camera on. The lads have gone the other way now. We've had a bit of lunch and a cup of tea. We're going to have a bimble back to Adelaide and back home to the other side of town. So I might as well have a bit of Coventry as I'm driving back. See, it's a lovely day. It's a bit breezy. Some nice country roads. I'm just on the road to Gummeraka from Birdwood. It's not far. Picked some nice lines through some of these bends. A little bit more sedate than when I was riding with the lads. They were sending it on a bit. Get a good view of the road over the left hand side. I've got lots of chevrons here that telling me it's a bending to the right. You can see the road is opening up again. I've got a good view of it there. As I say, I'm not having to do a racing line, I'm not going hard. Slow vehicle turnout, 300 metres it says, so just back off slightly, turn in late, you see it there. Bit of a bimble. What a love, look at this, lovely vineyards here to your left as well. It's just super wine country. Okay, left down bend, more chevrons, but the vanishing point is starting to move, which means the road is opening up a bit for me, so I don't have to slow down. It's opening up there to the left hand side now. Right hand bend. You can see how it's opening up round the corner. Just relaxing into it. Nice and safe. Another slow vehicle turnout sign. Left hand bend. Still an 80 road. Keeping to the crown of the road so I can see where I'm at. See the road opening up for me. I see in the distance. Right to left to right to straight. Nice few bendy roads here. Let's enjoy them for a minute. Not a road that I'm accustomed to. I've not been down here before on a motorbike, so it's not worth racing. Not going quick, just reading the road and enjoying it for what it is, and not pushing your luck. Them chevrons would hurt. 50 road, backing it off. And here we go into Gummeraka, home of the extremely large rocking horse, which you'll see on the left ever so shortly. There's a toy factory, wooden toys, and there's your rocking horse. Look at that big bugger. Little toy factory there where they make lots of wooden toys. I was in there a few weeks ago with the family. Very pleasant. Stay there, mate. Thank you. Now when I came the other way, we actually came on this Lobethal road to the left here, but that's where we're going to go straight on. Sign for Tea Tree Gully. And if I remember rightly, this will take me to some nice roads. Nigel mentioned the reservoirs. I do recognise that bit of the world. Driven that a bit more often. Just going to back up slightly here. Okay, and that would be Gumaraka. Still a 50 zone. Let me through, let him go. I wasn't pressuring her, but obviously felt like she'd be better off with me not behind her. Give her a wave. Okay. See how that tightened up there? It's going to do the same here, just through this bridge. There's some nice little roads here. Just going to take the right hand road here. What a lovely little bit of road that is. Just going to ride it, not going to chat much. Nasty road surface there, it's just breaking up. A bit wary. And I'm banked over that line, I shouldn't be there. That's appalling bit of riding. Let me get it a bit better this time. See where the road's bending up there. We use that, turning late here. Keep that apex, keep it tight here. And then on the gas. Left here to the right hand bend, keep it tight late turning, a bit better. On the power, bit of a crest, can't see where it goes, to the left, backed off slightly, got a bit of stop in the distance you can see, tight there. Big right hand bend down there, you can see where it's going. Dropping down, nice bit of road. Cruise through here. See again where the road's bending, it goes right to left. No point in racing here. The road surface is a bit broken there as well. Right hand side here, sharp left. See how close that turning point got, that sort of vanishing point. Nice, just cruise through here now. See where the road goes there. Slow right down. Nice and smooth. Trying to make sure I'm not leaning across that line. Windy. Just felt the wind take me a little bit there. See where the road's going. And here and up the hill. Nice and tight here, keep it tight. Got to watch for other people coming the other way that might make mistakes. Better. Interesting little road through there. First time I've ridden it on a motorbike. wasn't textbook by any stretch of the imagination, but it's all about getting out there and practicing and learning and remembering what to look for. Certainly enjoyed it. Yeah. Dropping down here, a 50 sign. It's not slowing the little bronze Yaris down at all. 'Tis me, can't afford the fines. Where are we now? Birdwood? No, we've been through Birdwood. All these little towns, I forget what they're all called. Paracombe. I don't know. Paracombe, I think. Inglewood. Inglewood, that could be right. Yes. The Inglewood Inn. Oh, he's slow. Somebody in front of this little bronze, we've caught him up now. What's happening? Oh yeah, here we go. Mr. and his... Look at him! Cool as! Love it. Good work. Takes some doing. Good effort, dude.